In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to turn on subtitles on Disney+. So let's get started. So from here is that I'm just gonna go and select some random movies right here. For example, this one, or actually it's a series. So I'm just gonna, for example, watch this one right there. And then from here is that you just basically need to go here into audio and subtitles. And this is where you can set your subtitles into English, Korean, or whatever available it is on the movie or series that you have selected. And take note that not every one of these has the same options in here in the subtitles. It might be that there is no English, but there are also available language, or it could be that there is no subtitles available. So it would actually depend on the kind of movie or series that you are watching on whether you have the choices in here on subtitles or whether you can turn on or turn it off. So that's it on how you could do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.